In the world of natural remedies and herbal medicine, certain plants are quietly powerful. You may walk right past them in a field or garden without realizing their immense healing potential. One such underestimated herb is shepherd's purse, Capsella bursa pastoris, but don't let its modest appearance fool you. This herb has been a cornerstone in traditional medicine for centuries across Europe, Asia, and North America. Whether brewed in teas, used in tinctures, or consumed as a wild edible green, shepherd's purse packs an impressive array of health benefits. From stopping bleeding to supporting heart health, it's a botanical multitasker that deserves a place in your wellness toolkit. So, what exactly makes shepherd's purse so special? Here are 10 science-backed and traditionally revered health benefits of this little-known plant that might make you rethink your herbal priorities. Number 1. Natural bleeding control. Shepherd's purse is most famous for its ability to stop bleeding. This isn't just folklore. It's been used on battlefields and in homes for centuries as a natural astringent. The plant contains compounds like tannins and flavonoids that help constrict blood vessels, reducing blood flow. Traditionally, it's been used to manage nosebleeds, heavy menstrual bleeding, postpartum hemorrhage, and even minor wounds. Midwives and herbalists often rely on it during childbirth recovery for this exact reason. Its internal and external applications make it versatile for controlling bleeding in various situations. Number 2. Menstrual regulation. Many women have turned to shepherd's purse for help with irregular or heavy menstrual cycles. Thanks to its uterine contracting properties and hormone-balancing phytochemicals, it helps regulate menstrual flow and reduce cramping. It's especially beneficial for those who suffer from menorrhagia, excessive menstrual bleeding, or spotting between periods. For centuries, this herb has been part of women's natural healthcare kits, offering gentle yet effective relief without synthetic hormones. Number 3. Supports urinary health. Shepherd's purse has natural diuretic properties, which means it helps the body increase urine production, flushing out excess water and toxins. This makes it especially helpful in treating urinary tract infections, UTIs, bladder irritation, and water retention. Its mild antiseptic quality also means it can help prevent bacterial growth in the urinary system, reducing the chances of recurring infections. Many herbalists combine shepherd's purse with other urinary supportive herbs like uva or sea or corn silk for enhanced effects. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and digestive disorders. Shepherd's purse contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, such as quercetin and camphorol, which help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Whether you're dealing with sore joints, muscle pain, or internal inflammation due to digestive issues, regular consumption of this herb may provide noticeable relief. Some even use it topically as a poultice to reduce swelling from injuries or infections. Number 5. Improved cardiovascular health. Shepherd's purse contributes to heart health in several ways. First, its anti-inflammatory and astringent properties help tone blood vessels, potentially improving circulation and reducing varicose veins or hemorrhoids. Second, it may help regulate blood pressure, especially when used in tandem with a healthy lifestyle. Although more clinical studies are needed, traditional medicine has long revered shepherd's purse as a herb that supports vascular integrity, making it useful for conditions involving capillary fragility and poor blood flow. Number 6. Wound healing booster. Used externally, shepherd's purse has been shown to accelerate the healing of wounds, cuts, bruises, and burns. The herb's high vitamin K content, combined with its astringent and antimicrobial properties, makes it ideal for treating skin injuries. You can apply it as a poultice, tincture, or compress, and it not only stops minor bleeding but also promotes tissue regeneration and reduces the risk of infection. Historically, soldiers carried this herb during wartime for precisely this reason. Number 7. Supports digestive health. Shepherd's purse contains bitter compounds that stimulate digestion and liver function. When consumed as a tea or tincture before meals, it can encourage bile production, reduce bloating, and improve the breakdown of fats and proteins. These digestive benefits make it an excellent herb for those who experience sluggish digestion, mild indigestion, or lack of appetite. Some also report relief from diarrhea due to the plant's astringent nature, which helps tighten intestinal walls and reduce fluid loss. Number 8. Rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are crucial in fighting free radicals, which cause cellular damage and contribute to aging and chronic diseases. Shepherd's purse is rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds, all of which serve as potent antioxidants. Including shepherd's purse in your diet or supplement routine may help protect your cells from oxidative stress, boost your immune system, and even support better skin health. It's another reason herbalists refer to this modest plant as a powerhouse in disguise. Number 9. Respiratory support. While not its most well-known use, shepherd's purse has traditionally been used to treat mild respiratory issues, such as coughing, bronchitis, and nasal congestion. Its astringent and anti-inflammatory properties help tone the mucous membranes of the respiratory tract and reduce excess mucus. This makes it a helpful companion herb during cold and flu season, especially when combined with others like mullein or thyme. Whether used in a tea or inhaled through steam, it can offer gentle yet effective respiratory support. Number 10. May help with eye health. A lesser-known but fascinating traditional use of shepherd's purse is in the realm of eye care. In European folk medicine, it was often used in eye washes or compresses to treat inflammation, conjunctivitis, pink eye, and general eye strain. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties likely contribute to this effect, and while scientific data is limited, anecdotal reports suggest that it can reduce redness, irritation, and even help prevent eye infections when used properly and hygienically. If you're interested in trying shepherd's purse, it's important to consult a qualified herbalist or healthcare provider, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication. This herb is powerful and can interact with certain drugs or medical conditions. It can be taken as a tea, tincture, capsule, or topical poultice, depending on your needs. Always start with small doses and monitor your body's response. Shepherd's purse may not have the household name of chamomile or ginger, but its diverse health benefits and centuries-old history speak volumes about its effectiveness. From controlling bleeding and easing menstrual woes to supporting the heart and digestive system, this humble herb is truly a treasure of the plant kingdom. Whether you're a seasoned herbalist or just beginning to explore natural remedies, shepherd's purse deserves a closer look. Its nickname may reference an old-fashioned purse, but the real treasure is what it holds inside, a powerful blend of healing compounds that can enrich your health in more ways than one. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.